How to fix contact numbers saved but not showing in WhatsApp problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings, then click on Search button on top right corner of your screen. Simply search Apps, then click on Apps and Notification. In here, click on See All Apps and search for WhatsApp, or if you simply have WhatsApp in here, simply click on WhatsApp. Force stop the app, then go to Storage and Cache, clear cache and clear storage. Only clear storage if you want to log into your account again. If not, don't. After that, simply restart your device, log into your WhatsApp account, and you're good to go. This is how to fix contact number saved but not showing up problem in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.